Hello, trading is closed on March 9th, 2016. Let's change the order around a little bit and go over the MEJT calls first. Early in the day, there was a signal that ultimately lower prices would print. We had a big rally, but the signal was satisfied. Here's the line. When there's a signal, it just means there's a target at a different price. Anyone taking it here didn't have much of a gain potential, but anyone taking the short here had a large potential profit, and that's one of the things you should look at when you're using the system. In the afternoon, we had a rally. MEJT said it was false, that prices would return to this line. We came close here, but didn't actually hit it until here, so that worked also. And I have no new MEJT targets for tomorrow. Well, now let's go over yesterday's call. I was looking for a gap up, and we got that. I said if we hit a higher high, we had a chance to rally all day. Well, that didn't happen, but if we gap up tomorrow, I'm going to count it. We have some conflicting signals here. This is a very negative pattern to gap up like this, rally and not break over these highs. But if we gap over these highs, or at least trade over them promptly, all that negativity in the pattern goes away. We have some pluses and minuses. This line here, I said yesterday there were a number of reasons to show support at the low. This is a TDST line. It's from a pattern way back in September of last year, but it's a valid line, and so far support's holding. We have a gap here, and these gaps usually fill pretty quickly, but we also have a stilt with a diamond, and a lot of the times you get a stilt-like move up for an inverted diamond on stilts. So we have conflicting signals. You'll see the support from the MEJT yesterday. I think everything depends on the open. I think when there are conflicting signals like this, the commonest thing is a gap outside of the day's range. The next most common thing is we close little changed and have the big move the day afterwards. But I vote for a gap, most likely out of the day's range. And if we go up, the rally can continue. But if we drop here, it could be pretty substantial. And that's today's call.